A video surfaced allegedly showing the planting of explosive charges on a Russian Ka-52 helicopter by a saboteur on Vertai Air Base, Pskov Oblast. According to Russian media, 2 helicopters there were damaged due to unknown explosions at 30th October. On the video we can see some guy in olive green clothes calmly wires up some kind of timed explosive and attaches it to the chopper, then leaves. Could be a Russian defector. Baza reports that 2 Russian Ka-52 helicopters, which were being repaired, were damaged by an explosion in Pskov. Possibly part of Russia's 15th Army Aviation Brigade. Also, explosive was found on a Russian Mi-28 helicopter during a search after the initial explosions. Ukraine's GUR military intelligence claims the raid on the Pskov airfield, saying it destroyed 2 Ka-52, 1 Mi-28H and damaged 2 more choppers. The airfield is hundreds of miles from Ukraine, and that is showing that Ukraine have quite a capability to strike deep in the Russian rear. The Pskov airfield is also just across the border from NATO members Latvia and Estonia. That must be the 6th or 7th Ka-52 destroyed or damaged in the time of 2 weeks. If I haven't missed counting more, plus the Mi-28H Havoc that met its nickname. The interesting thing is that 3 years ago, a Russian photographer managed to enter the same airbase and take photos of Ka-52 helicopters and other equipment.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.